How's it going, everyone? Bainey here, and welcome to video 16 of how to generate an income online using Facebook ads. In today's video, I'm going to be talking about the different percentages of lookalike audiences and when you should make a 1% lookalike audience, a 2% lookalike audience, and stuff like that. So let's just jump into it. So your account should look something like this. To find the audiences where we were in the other video, just come over here to audiences. So here's all the custom audiences we made yesterday. There's that lookalike audience I made in the last video, but I'm just going to jump into the different types of percentages when it comes to lookalike audiences. So let's just pretend we're making another one. We'll come down here to this one, go to create lookalike audience. We've got Australia. And you've got these 1%, 2%, 3% and stuff like that. So to make a lookalike audience, your custom audience needs to have about 100 people. It has to have a minimum of 100 people to be exact. So if it's less than that, you won't be able to create a lookalike audience. To create a 1 to 2% lookalike audience, you should have in your custom audience about 300 people, because if you've got less than 300 people and then you try and make say you've got 150 people in your custom audience and then you try and make a 2% lookalike audience, there's just not enough data in your custom audience to give Facebook a big enough sample to go and target a wider group of people. So try and keep it 1%. To be honest, a lot of the people watching these will probably just use 1%. It's not until you start getting up 300, 400, 500 sales and then you can start expanding out a little bit. But for people who are at that stage, don't make a 2% lookalike audience until you've got about 300 people in your custom audiences. So my lookalike audience here, my custom audience here, sorry, is initiate checkout. So if I haven't had people, 300 people, at least 300 people initiate checkout on my website, I wouldn't create a 2% lookalike audience. So then let's look at a 2 to 3% lookalike audience. You want to have at least 600 to 1,000 people in your lookalike audience to create a 3% lookalike audience. And that only just goes up from there. So when you've got a 4% lookalike audience, you want to have about 1,500 to 2,000 people in this lookalike audience. And to be honest, it's going to be tough to get that for initiate checkout unless you're scaling unless you're scaling a lot, and then you're doing pretty well. But just for everyone getting started, maybe you might have a couple thousand in your custom audience that's based on Facebook. Anyone who's visited your Facebook page, something like that. In that case, then yes, you can get 5,000 people pretty easily. That's just, a lot of people can visit your videos or, watch your videos or like your posts and stuff like that. You can rack up 5,000 pretty easily. But to do any more than 4, to start using 5, 6, 7, 8, you really need about 2,000 people in this custom audience. So that is pretty much that's pretty much all it is for this video. I just wanted to give you a quick overview of the different percentages and when to make those different percentages lookalike audiences. For most people watching this video, just stick to the 1% lookalike audience, whether it's Australia or America or whatever country you're in. That's pretty much what you're going to start off for a while, and then once you obviously start scaling and stuff like that, you can make bigger lookalike audiences. So that's it for this video, guys. In the next video, we're really going to start jumping into like the ad side of things. I'm going to show you the different elements of an ad, like the campaign, the ad set level, and the ad, and just sort of break it down a bit so it makes a little bit more sense. So I'll see you in the next video, guys.